now, my people, now the Lily where they say it cause problem for social media, like for where everybody they talk, everybody don't talk many things. So now we want give this Lily make it talk. Wait till be her grievances. Wait till they make her the verse. I beg, may anybody know structure. Mona let her talk. Use her time. Talk. Wait till they make her the verse. So Lily, I beg, no insult anybody. We want give you time. May you take talk. May you talk your grievances. I beg. Unmute yourself. May you talk, Lily.
Okay, Don Prince, good morning, everybody. If you don't, who knows me? If they say Don Prince, they say if you want no person, you go ask where the person for grow, where the person environment and all those things. Even all these things, people where they know me, they talk say, Lily, who is there you start to dey talk? Because I know they find trouble. I be innocent Lily. All this is they talk. Na Lily start am. I challenge them. Let them bring video where me don't insult their oba. Right from Facebook, this girl where they call Yvienivi has been insulting the king of Esan. I never see. I don't get time for you. My only shout you sabi shout. I know sabi follow you shout. I want to make my point.
Why am I very for now? I let her talk.
Right from Facebook, she has been insulting some people.
Moderator, not bring anybody come for now. Not bring anybody come.
But I know my brother, I know they respond. Even when they insult some people for Facebook. Even when Monica and Lolo has issue. They say Lolo is from Okerue, he says Esan. They start insulting some people, which we did not even involve in it too. I have known her right from time she insulted Esan. I don't take her matter so serious.
So,
but
Lily, so this where this saga start. You know why insult our big ass now.
May they bring the video. I challenge them, including I challenge them. Bring video where I don't insult now back. Because I don't insult king very hard. I go through my page. If you ever see Unaoba picture from my page, if I ever use Unaoba picture, don't can I call my page? Bring it. I want to see it.
You go fit swear, put you go fit swear.
Yes.
Why you dey say Unaoba? Why you dey say Unaoba? Not be Oba too.
I go swear.
Not be a just
I go swear
wait, Lily,
my
wait.
Esan juju. Not be Lily, wait. I won't swear.
Lily, may you wait. Now me and you dey here now.
Be Unaoba, Ogunboya, where they respect you.
Not be my king.
Mona drop that one. See, Lily,
I have
wait.
my king. They won't hear me.
Lily.
I have my king, which I respect, and they won't hear me. What is your problem? Don't please let me tell you. I don't even have issue with all these people.
Let me tell you something. You believe say Oba of Benin is the highest king in Benin?
My brother, I don't believe. I get my own king.
Okay which
now.
king? Wait, Mona, wait now. Which king you believe say be the highest for Benin?
My brother, no king be highest. I get my own king. You want force me make I say another person king? I cannot say another king is more greater than my own king. Who does that? My own king is the greatest to me. Everybody can worship you. I don't get issue with any Benin worshiping their
Don't be
Oba.
say all king are great. Listen, all king are great. Don't manipulate this talk. The meaning of say the number one king in Edo State. Who you believe say be the number one king in Edo State?
Where I come from. Now my king be greatest. That be number one.
I not to say no king is all king are great.
Oh God!
No king is not the
Can
great.
you show
All
me
king
where great say king the great past the other king?
No,
If you can show me.
listen now. All king are great. We are saying as Edo State be, we know say Oba of Benin is the real number one king. Where be say everybody the where all the old kings they under am. Many people know.
Don't
So
please, na simple logic. So, don't please. Now simple logic. I bet what you say the color Oba of Benin. It simply means it's for the Benin people. You get it now? You understand? I respect him because of he's a king. But telling me he's greater than my king, I will not accept it. Because you, John Prince, you will not accept it. For me to say my king is greater than yours.
Okay, more leave that one. Okay, now wait till be your grievances wey be so na take the fight. We na the fight. This way they say
my
na the
brother,
fight.
I don't really, my brother, when it comes to personal hatred or personal I don't have hatred with the Benin people. I only dislike their character. You understand? You cannot come to my platform and tell me what to do in my platform just as they tell you now. Say no, carry Lily come up or she be Oba. I can never be Oba. What did I do to Oba to be enemy to Oba? You understand? They have issue with Igbo people. I'm not the one that caused their fight. They were friends, doing friend on TikTok Don't please no be me Lily cause their quarrel. The reason why they drag me, they say why me go allow who they insult their oba on my platform. It's my platform. I have right to bring who I want to bring. I cannot inherit your problem. And some people cannot inherit beneath problem with other people. So I get right to carry people on my platform. It's left for you two of now and get issue. That is what bring problem. They say why me? Where be Esan? Esan no sala. Why go carry if you go when they get issue with come the platform? I said it's my platform. If you Gambia come, I'll carry and come. If Gambia person cause una, it not concern me. I don't get issue with that person. Now wetin happen when I begin they drag me no be say I cause their oba. I don't cause their oba. I don't challenge them now. Make them play the video. Where
That
me
point
dey
of
insult
correction is
oba.
not
When
about Benin.
Okuku come, when Okuku come, everybody we are doing video. The fight already dey ground before Okuku time. These people that dey here, they gather money. They find me, they go for my village. Wetin happen? Because say I open my
Moderator, not bring
platform.
anybody come again. Moderator, not bring anybody come.
Don't please, you know say I don't challenge them now. Say make they bring video where I don't insult their king. They don't fit bring am because I know they insult people king.
No worry now.
You
See, don't
understand?
challenge them. See, listen now. You don't challenge the
And
thing.
again, the
Wait
only
first.
where they for they drag me to please they listen now because say they say Igbo people carry their oba picture. Say me can't allow those people come my platform. Don't please, I beg, not be my platform. Must I enrich any Benin person?
I want to ask you a question. Wait, you now you the happy say anybody they insult Benin, you the happy?
My brother, for now I dey happy, but before I was not happy. Even before, and some people they join people they fight for Benin people.
I'm not
Show me
hearing.
one
I'm
fight
not
where
hearing
Benin
you.
don't fight for Esan.
I'm not hearing you. You say you the happy.
For
I'm not
now,
hearing you.
for
Tell me,
now,
tell me.
eh?
For
We
now,
dey-
you
we
dey
dey-
happy. Okay, what do make you the happy for now? Tell us. What do make you the happy for now?
My brother, person where they saga Esan, we can't see person where they help us, they give them wuto. My brother, you no go happy if now you go happy now. You understand? For
Okay,
this,
now.
my own be say, don't please, people are not getting it. You cannot be insulting people king. For we Esan, if you like make it be the king now 1 day old, king is king. You dey hear now? Respect is reciprocal. You cannot be calling my king Duke and you expect me to come and worship your king.
Wait
It's
now,
not
listen now.
done.
How many Benin people you don't see they carry on a king they insult? How many Benin people you don't see?
Many of them if any king don't talk anything,
Mention name.
There's
How
plenty,
many
all
of
of
them?
them, one man squad all of the Ekpenede they do am. Ask them. If you don't get
They
anything,
talk. How many people you see say they do? How many people?
I say there plenty accountable. Go
You should be
their page.
accountable, not they manipulate.
Not be
Mention
that
name.
Ghana must go. Not be that
Mention
Ghana
like
must go
seven
for
names.
Esan king.
Mention 7 names of Benin people where they do. Mention 7 presenter name where they do.
What it be name? The one they call Elohuhe. That one, they do am.
Who be love
Many
you? Who
of
be love
them.
you? Who be love you?
Omila King, they do am. You dey hear now? Even this Ekpenede they do am before. Maybe now he drop back. He dey do am before. Even this guy where they shout up and down for TikTok, he dey do am. I don't want to mention his name too.
Okay, wait. Okay, now as you
All of
mention
them.
the Benin now, listen now. As you mention the Benin people where they do, okay, still mention some people where they insult Benin. Mention their name.
My brother, why we not go insult back? I don't feel life for my
No,
own.
I say me mention their name. Still mention the some people know where they insult Benin. Mention their name.
Whether they insult Benin,
Yeah.
we dey insult Benin now. We
Mention
plenty.
their name.
I
I
don't
don't be
feel
saying
like
now.
you.
Mention the people where they do.
People wey dey do am.
Yeah.
Me like me now, I be number one. Benin give me gbas, I give them boss. You dey hear now? You
Who
go
be
like the
number
talk
2?
now.
Who be number 2?
Number two, there plenty. I don't know their name. Now people they call my platform now. I know.
Okay, you don't know the some people. Now let the Benin people name you know.
No, you dey talk and say that they carry picture. They
Wetin
insult.
be
That
their
is
name?
say
Make
they
sure
do
their
am pass.
no, you not go start. Make sure like okay, make sure for name. Make sure for some people name what they do.
When they give back, now respond. They respond back now.
Make sure which people they respond back. Wetin be their name?
What it be name self? Like is before he they do, I mean they respond to them. You know, like my brother. They around.
Who be your
We they
brother?
give them back.
Who be your brother?
You
Wetin be
understand?
your
Don't
brother
count.
name? Wetin be your brother name?
Agbanoje, they around now. he travel go
Agbanoje.
work.
Okay, which other person again? Agbanoje. Okay, which other person again?
I don measure 3 na me be number 1.
I say me measure 4 because you measure 7 for Benin. Yours now measure 4 for
I
Louis and
measure
4.
7. I don't even measure 7. I said there plenty. Go their
Okay,
page, you go see
so
all
measure
of
number
them.
4. Measure number 4 for us. Measure number 4 for Esan.
Number 4. I no remember my brother. I no remember the name. I no feel
You
like.
don't remember.
You
You don't
understand?
remember.
Okay.
Okay.
Don Priest. This boy now wey come up. That Fulani boy wey come up. Okay, wetin una dey talk different. He
Okay, I
carry
want to
some
ask you a
matter for
question.
head.
Now,
No
please listen to
matter
this one.
wetin
Listen,
Fulani boy talk.
Listen to this thing now. You now, you stand as a figure of person wey dey represent Esan. Okay, as you represent
Yes.
Esan now, how me and you and all of us go fit take settle this issue comot for media? Wey be say people go consider say we be real one love, we be brother. How we fit take settle am? Tell us.
My Don Priest, mo no lie for ourselves. Mo no lie for ourselves. We no be one. Mo no dey lie. Say mo dey pretend. But if we want make everybody maintain their mutual respect,
Okay, wait.
is
Fair
boundary.
wait. How you
Respect
tell
me and
us? How you
respect
tell
you.
us say we not be one? How you tell us say we not be one?
Oga, we no be one. Mo no dey lie. You cannot tell me say okay, I tell you to say I'm not from Benin. Yes, I say I be Esan. Everybody know where they come from. Like that boy will come up now. He said they are from Benin.
Lily,
Now his
listen.
family history dey
Explain,
talk.
give us. I will not be one because I want state we for come. Edo State. Tell us how will not be
Oga,
one.
he just there Edo State o, shebi you know. He gather there Edo State, shebi you know. Many tribes there Edo State.
One. As far as we are from Edo State, we be one. Now one
Okay,
unity. As far as if you look your
state,
Nigeria
abi?
passport, you not put Esan, say Esan State. You put Edo State for Nigeria passport. Even the document where they give you, now Edo State you put. You not put Esan State. You not put Benin State.
Me
You
na
not put
Lagos State
Igara
I
State.
put o.
Now
I
Edo
was
State you
born and
put.
bred. Don Priest, I was born and bred in Lagos. So na
Okay,
Lagos
your
State I
husband,
put.
wait, you marry Sama,
I married very nice Enugu man from Usuka. I know they hide down.
Enugu man, how you marry?
Yes. Now where love carry me go.
Igbo man, how you marry? Lily, Igbo
Yes.
we marry when I tell Bonnie here, Igbo Lily. When mama know your son, everywhere. When mama know
Now where I find love. Okay, every Esan go marry Esan. Some people will find love for where they now. Now where I dey, I find love. So that one don't really matter because I marry Igbo. Even my husband cannot tell me to insult a Benin person will not give me anything. Never. I be very stubborn person. The stubborn way I stubborn say now waiting good now they fight for. I know they fight for nonsense. If they hear now Don Priest. So
Lily,
what the time you say if you want
Lily,
peace,
Lily,
eh?
may I tell you something? You know, say thousands of people they watch you. You believe say somebody like you stand for peace and unity for this social media?
I no get problem. I know they do trouble. I like peace. I like peace. You dey hear now? I like peace. If Donna dey tell you Don Priest, if you want settlement, make we cannot settle on top of lies or on top of sand where they shake. Now make I tell you say mo no deceive ourselves. They say we be one.
Okay.
We no be one.
Okay, Lily,
Deep in
you
our
want to ask you that question again? You want to tell me now, say all the king wey dey Esan land, they vex our king?
Why they go vex?
Okay, are they not friends? Are they not brothers?
They dey for the same state now. They do meeting together. They are traditional
I
rulers.
question ask you, the kings in Esan land and the kings in Edo land, are they not brothers? I question ask you.
Brother by state or by blood?
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Oga, I need to know.
Yes or no? Now truth he tell you, yes or no?
By blood, Oga, Don Priest, if me and you see for
All
France,
these Esan people,
na my brother
all
go
these
call
Esan,
you. Does that mean you be my blood?
listen. That means if you say they not be brother, that means all these Esan people where you they call Esan and my people, na my brother. That means you that they pretend that they manipulate them. Oh, why you they talk say all Esan are your people, all Esan are your blood? Why not they force all Esan and our blood? If these people cannot be blood, now only Esan are blood. That means una they manipulate Esan people. Una they manipulate them. Una they brainwash them.
Don Priest, all Esan will be Obiaba. You understand
Na
now?
the Obiaba,
It does not mean say
yeah.
na the same.
That one I think they
Wait,
change
it
their
don't mean
brain.
say-
I don't
Wait, now you don't mean say na the same
Oria no
papa
gbori and
and mama
abadoria.
born us.
Oria no gbori and abadoria. I don't want to change their brain. More na dey preach truth. Why preach matter? A social
But
media
please,
now,
what
more
do
they
you
preach
ask me
unity,
now?
more
You
they
ask me
preach
if they
peace,
are
more they
brothers.
let them know,
By
say,
descent
we are
sake,
one, we are
yes.
brothers.
By blood, no.
Okay, Ekpenede want reply you. Ekpenede, most give Ekpenede chance, me talk. Ekpenede, I beg, may you still talk for this matter.
I beg you give me time to talk properly because I not like propaganda. You know understand? You might like a propaganda. But before I will start host, I beg permit me, just permit me, I beg. Just one question, then answer, then I'll continue. Please, can I do that?
Yeah, continue.
Okay. Lily, you did there, babe. Please unmute. I just want to ask a question, please. I'll be very sincere,
I
please.
dare you.
Okay, thank you. Was there ever a time I came to beg you that this thing should not escalate, that let there be peace? Was there ever a time like that? I came to beg you on your platform.
I can't remember.
You
Because
can't
a lot of
remember?
people. No, yes.
Oh, you can't remember? Okay.
Yes, a lot of people come. I
We
don't
leave
know.
that for your ancestors and mine to judge, okay? So it's okay. You can mute, thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you for that. So, host, you see, this whole thing, first of all, where I for come, the way I take grow up, I know say Esan Edona one, and I waiting at the preach right from time. I don't know where this talk of Esan, where the thing not time I hear. Now maybe I always talk am every day for you. I'm having somewhere, maybe you're not just from some few times, then I'll be done. Now me put Esan person for us for 3 months for Italy. 3 good months. The guy they pursue for camp. Now my pastor call me say, I beg this guy, they pursue for camp. So what happen? The guy they try go Germany, so they deport him back. I kept him in my house for 3 good months. The guy, and I think the guy's not in France. So I not put this kind of tick for her, say, if you see a son, you see a near, whatever. You know, enter my head by then. Before I leave Italy, later consider I go Finland. The last job where I get for cooperativa, if you know, as una way dey Italy cooperativa. As I go there, go find job, they give me the job. They say they need more people. Now it's okay, I get people. Now I call one guy, the guy na Esan guy. Though when I call, he say he don't find because even the place where for see find job, now me still show on that agent where they go find job. They say, but he don't find, but he go do. Me call one of your that brother, whether I fit take them and go. Now I say, why not call her come? This guy where I fed call so na Esan. The other one where this say come to that one na Esan person. You remember? They can't bring one of our Benin brother. Now I take carry their two, can't go Milan. Now I take go help them do everything. They get the job. These are the 2 things I don't do for Esan person for Europe here. Me, the first job I get for Europe, now Igbo person give me. I don't talk publicly. So that's why I say, if you see the good one, you will see the bad one. For both Esan and for Edo, he did these 2 places. Now, this is our sister with the Lily. I don't know wetin this girl see where we say she go just come online, social media every day, Bini. Now be the problem which she always. If you just check her page now from A to Z, I'm telling you, 95% of all the posts now against Bini. 95% of everything on her page is against Bini. If you want to know the people the way they do all this rubbish on social media, she no one name them. You feel on my page, go and check my page. Maybe I the saga Esan people there. Or I talk about evil, about Esan. Go to my page and check it. I have to confirm this thing. TikTok here. I get Edo Finest. And I get this one. Check my 2 pages. The reason why we say I get issue with some Esan people, as if for that was inside last year. Now, based on the things where I don't comfy beer anymore. I became provoked. Now I begin to talk the white talk last year. But deep down in me, I know say everything that saga that be. I didn't take it to heart, so I did it for a while. Then I stopped. You understand me? I did it for a while, then I stopped. So I know they deny my own thing. I don't use fake account to do something, then I can't say I don't go bear the accountability. Yes, I did it. And the reason why I did some things last year, I have reasons to that. And if I'm given time, I can explain everything. Because me, my like me, I will talk and small, I can't stop. No, I don't do that.
See, may I tell you something? I'll give you time. Talk all your grievances. Talk your man. Everybody
Okay, my grievances, thank you. Then that time I remove and they go, I don't want to make a rush. Thank you.
No, what?
Now, the
not
grievances.
put time for them.
Thank you. So don't put time for you.
Everything where Lily do, where you know offend, no insult her. You have to tell her.
No. I don't do that now. No. I won't insult her. I won't do that. I wait. I won't do that. I'm not here to insult anybody. Because the reason why I asked that question, deep down in her heart, she knows I go meet her. Go beg her. Several times. Say, make she stop this thing. Say, it go escalate. Even me and Ivie, me and another agree before. When Ivie, they always they give us a people woto. Ivie, they here now. Me and another agree. I'll say, the thing cause quarrel. Like I use your more you today now. The thing cause quarrel. between some of us, Easy say no, may nobody throw mad give Esan. I was even among Easy group say, Wage Giaro Esan, Esan Edo, na one I will be. You know understand? Then some of our sisters come the verse say, I wish can't be this one. Lily, they insult us, and some people when they attack us on social media. The fact wasn't even about Esan. The people who get problem with that time, na Igbo people. And I'm not the denier. Now Igbo people get issue with that time. You know understand? We don't get issue with Esan. So because of this woman now marry Igbo, as in Igbo marry for us, she just can't use that opportunity to invite those people who say they get issue with us, bring them come platform, they'll come design photo where suit them with their papa head. They'll come put gold, put lion, put all kind of nonsense. Then Lily go put them for platform, they laugh, kwa. So imagine say me do that kind of same thing to the heroine, no Jena. How Lily go feel? Lily cannot open as a gift because my laptop full. If you want evidence, I control these things. My laptop this house now. I feel big. I'm gonna see what in Lily with those people. Two for asking for that platform. But she no go fit bring one and say, see what we do with anybody with a throw mat come because I don't feel sit down say one Yoruba guy can't come. Come begin the throw mat, give the Esa people there. I come put up my platform. Oh, go Bomania. I been a one Igbo person. Go the throw mat, give the Esa people that come put up my platform say, make the throw them. If I ball like bear. As soon this was what this girl was doing, and we could not take it anymore. Oh, night to women. You know understand? That one for Lily. Then the number two for inside where provoke me more. Lily on that child's play. I don't really get time for Lily because when I look at saying a woman, she just want to talk. I don't really mind Lily. Now the one they call Agbe Okosu, now that one, now I get serious beef with. And why did he can't really escalate? The guy always
Agbe Okosu. Na Esa person be.
Na Esan person bibi na yeah na Esan bibi. Mama na meet you so our echo. Uno meet so.
Una mute. Una mute.
I don't know no mute. It's near the echo somewhere. I don't know. Okay, I think it's better now. So Agbe Okosun, that guy na Esan guy be. Even this morning, he's still open. He has his name on TikTok. You can go and check him out. Let me just help him with some view. Because if you open now 2012, now they get. So let us help his career today. His TikTok page is Esan History Talk Show. You can go to his page and check it out. What he does on his page. And if you are convinced that you are happy and you be Esan person, you dey happy with waiting Esan History Talk Show they do, then you can come and attack me. I'm open for attack. If you can go to his Facebook page, The Ancient Keeper. If you look at what that boy is doing and you are convinced with what he's doing, then you can throw shade at me. Not just check the post of within 3 months. Check his page, even down to like 4 or 5 years ago, and see
Please,
what
everybody power tap for everybody power
he's
tap.
not speaking anything. He's not because you see me now. The way you know now, you say waiting and they do for TikTok. Now tradition of a Benin, tradition of a do. Now they do promoting my culture. And this is what I do. I come and dance for those things. So that one now you can use that to describe me, but you cannot use this like the name he carries, Esan History Talk Show. You can never see him talking about Esan history. It is always about the Oba of Benin is this, Oba of Benin is that, Benin people are this, Benin people are that. So these things are inciting and they are provocative. You understand? So I don't want to go more into that. Then what this guy said, because at the beginning, I never took him serious. He said that some of the Enigi in Esan land that they are backing him up with what he's doing. I said this guy, already a Mori. He want go live for their Enigi head. Now saying I like the talk. But to my own surprise, this guy mobilized people. He can't mobilize some of the Enigi, not all of them, please. Don't get me wrong, not all of them. You know, say, as we see a see good, we see a see bad. He mobilized some of them, and they gave him a call. They say, yes, this is movement where they do, say they really back him. Now them, the people will say they do this kola not too. And when they were doing it, they were giving reference to him, Agbo Kosun. He keep on saying this because whenever he's insulting us, he say he has most of the numbers of this Enigi.
Bro,
he always gives reference to them. So if he claim and true he prove it.
Ekpenede, wait, may I quick tell you something? Do you know whether that guy manipulated those old men?
Baba,
do you know
how can you manipulate a king?
He's a jando. Listen, he go to Nigeria as a jando. He can use a jando to manipulate all those elderly people, give them small thing, you understand, just to manipulate them. Do you know whether he manipulated them?
My brother, is it possible to manipulate
they not
No,
reason
no,
like
calm
that.
down now. You man
no,
like
just
chaos.
1 second. I don't understand.
Please.
Breaking of coal, I dey affect you now. Now we
Please,
Esan
please,
do am. I
please.
no
If
go.
Lily, calm down. I'm talking.
if I may talk, I be move for you.
Lily,
Talking.
please. You were talking. I never interrupted you. Please,
I
I'm
know,
sitting.
but it's not your business.
Can you
now, whether
mute
people
while I'm
go-
talking, please? I
Lily,
wasn't
I
interrupting
if I
you.
may still talk, everybody talk.
Okay, you were talking. I never interrupted you. Please.
When I leave a me talk, when I leave a me
Now,
talk.
he asked me the reason why I was angry last year or aggravated last year because I stopped for a while. You know, now person misroad that time I was angry with some certain people. Somebody enter my track, now I crush and join her. You know, understand? So I don't get personal issue with any person. But if I dey vex you enter my alley, I will crush you. That's where I be. I'm not dey okay for anybody. So that one I for just that one. So when these enige, few of them, about 10 of them like that, they came out and they did all these things. Now I say, so true, this guy, all the claim where they claim, and all the things where they talk, so true, now true it be. So now they tell them make it insult our power because this guy comes out every day to start saying that as far as Esan is concerned, it is not developed. Now about Benin they concern. Now about Benin they make Esan this. Now about Benin, everything about him is about Benin, about Benin, about Benin. So they take on time to say, what be your problem? What thing about Benin do you? You know understand? So because of the constant insult, I can't really view and truth to say, these people really did back. These few ones who, not all of them. Like I said, now it's okay, no problem. The ones where I can't say that they support them, when they did that video, now I bring the comment, begin to give them the insult where they say it defeat them because now then they sponsor this boy, so they do what they do. Every blessed day, this is what it does. You have Esan district. You should be concentrated on how to develop it yourself. I get my village right for come. You know understand? You get a village for come. So now Esan man, fit develop that area. Thank God now we have the governor. Now he's doing things there. Concentrate on Esan. Make Esan beautiful. What it concern for Benin? If you see him now, Ogiamie, Ijo, this thing, but everything about Benin side, now they concentrate on. What is your concern with our region? Face your region and leave us alone. So this is what prompted me. So okay, fine. If you want problem, they will give you problem. Now take comfort. And I only want Onoji. Now I go for that was that last year, which was one of put job back. Because that guy personally, he and this guy they talk well. And they see the way they share post. If the guy insult us finish, the guy they share that with the page. If they share that with the page, who talk about page. And the wife, Leona, and they follow them too with my other account. They share what they do. So since they do all these things, that was where I came for the honor job food by last year. And I did it and I don't regret them. You understand me? So if they don't stop this thing, I believe this thing will continue. But the truth is this. I really want peace. I don't want chaos. Do you understand me? I want peace. I don't want chaos. If you tell this girl that's okay, make this thing that today. I'm telling you, Lily, go open today again. Continue this insult. She will continue again. I'm betting everybody here. Follow my page and follow this girl. Follow my page and follow this girl. From today, you will see that this girl will see continue insulting the palace. And that's the problem.
If you talk finish now, we'll give her a time she still talk.
Okay. So, sir, me, I'm assuring you now. If you see me anytime, say I go open platform, begin to insult any other person. No, say I be real bad person. I don't keep to my word. But I'm assuring you now. I'm telling you this. Follow this platform. From today henceforth, till 1 week and see if this girl will stop. And follow Esan History Talk Show just for now in 2 weeks and see if that boy will come on social media to tell you anything about Esan. If not be Oba Obini, that be a problem. So you can't be insulting my father. Oba Obini, my papa. You know understand? Insulting my father, now big insult to me. I will come for you.
Okay.
You know understand? Someone can be proud of someone child. You understand me? So if you insult my baba, I will come for you. And that's all the truth.
Ekpelede, may I quick tell you something? Now, Sugusu come this matter so now maybe Sugusu of a Dosaba space. Ogun Bazia. Normal, we say, Nenisa Yowa. Now maybe Sugusu of a Dosaba space. So, Ekpelede, what I want to beg you now, we come for peace now, say, we want more the preach, say, make people know, say, Esan Edo, we are one. No matter the narrative, may not change. We are one. You understand me so? So anybody where they force will not be one. They get their own grievances. So that maybe they talk, say, may they come, may they talk their grievances. So you don't talk your own, I beg for now, may you see fire.
I think add this.
I don't cease fire for long. I don't cease fire. And I don't stop.
You want me to leave
I think we add something, I beg.
If you want me to talk or maybe
That's why they yes.
Me and wait now, my sister
talk. My sister now talk.
Wait,
You want talk?
I want we talk something. I want her to. You see one thing, as a presenter, you they carry your chest come out.
It's very unfortunate and it's such a disgrace and a shame for you to come on a public like this where 1,000 something are watching you, listening to you, and you are lying and you call yourself an Odunga. It's so painful where this girl they talk, she's lying. Listen, may I add something? First and foremost, she denied, say if anything like that don't happen. So say you not feel chest down for public, all those news as we they constitute. Now you are not lying. That makes you a nobody. As a that. Then the person when you say the person when you say now so he travel, he go work. Me and you know say that boy he don't buy. You are just covering up. That does not make you a presenter and somebody will fit talk with a chest. That one a second. And I want her to wait till Ekmenede talk. Ekmenede, my lovely brother, you forgot something. When this whole issue started, don't forget, Don Prince, this girl wait there, so I don't feel measure her name, she not rich. Because now mommy she they call me. This girl wait there, so
you and Lily have been friends before.
She they follow me that they call me mommy Vienna.
Really? You never be friends.
They come to talk. When me see and say she come they insulted those people.
Wait, Lily. Lily, you and Vienna be friends before.
Well, Damiani me Google make her explain that to you.
Happy to I know
mute.
I never call her one day.
Hey, wait, Don Prince. Before I talk what I want to talk, me I quit because to even start with, it's very clear. Say you the lie now. You understand? So any lie you lie now, I'm not gonna take on personal. First and foremost, this girl was following my sister. Then she started following me. She was even saggering of Paika as at that time. You understand what I'm saying? That time she just
really don't saga Paika.
Yes, now she just you come Facebook. She wanted to trend with my name and my lovely sister name, Iyeki. So when she said we not give her face, she called me now, mommy, now me. When she said we not give her face, I was shocked when I came to TikTok. When I saw her insulting the Edo people, I was like, this will not be Lily. I was shocked. Even I wanted to call her as at that time, but I didn't save her number that she called me with. It was one early morning when she called me, calling me mommy. Mommy, I too love you and your sister. I was shocked, but I don't know. It might not hear the morning. Okay, what I want we talk. The thing be say, Black Benede, you made mistake. You know what I want to add? Do you know that this same girl came out? They call the saga themselves. Him and the Esan history. What they call the boy? That boy, what they call that small boy they call Agbe. They call the fight. Say they are no gay. Because Lily na ever me. They not be no gay. No gay of Uromi. Say he share money, give them. They call the fight for the money. Do you know that Enogia of Uromi share money, give them, share money, give them, made they take the throw west to our palace. They brought it out on this social media. They fought about it.
Wait, do you have evidence of all these things?
One man squad, if you guys still have the video where they were fighting themselves last year, Black Benedict, if I'm lying, please unmute and say something. I'm not lying. They fought themselves. Lily
joined the fight.
Yes, Lily even God pray. Now the guy even carry the matter come. Say they not share the money when they are no gay. They are no gay. When he share, give them, they take the throw west to our great palace. They not share away. This girl, then the other small boy, what do they call Nenemi Agbeso? Then the one where don't fight, what do they call Agbanoje? Then we are all fighting.
You see the way they talk now, Lily no answer you. You can't wait to be Lily come defend all this area. Not disturb them.
Okay. The thing be say, wait, my see me, Don Prince, you they do one thing why I know they like. I say me you bring me because me to even start with this girl don't feel license. She don't feel like she lied 3 times. One, she said she never throw west one day. That one at to show say she not get that strength. She just the talk for months. Because as me be waiting I talk for back, I go talk for front. They never born that person well. You dey feel me? That means say okay, you still get that respect. Forget say you dey talk anyhow. You still know say Baba na Baba for everywhere. That one and one. You still know say I'm your bevaredo. That one and number one. Or back by me redo ba talk be. I'm no get some talk be. You understand? I'm not demarcating or say I want disrespect the Esan Enoge. And one thing I want to tell you, take it or leave it, it's not a disrespect. In Esan, they have dukes. There's nothing like, we don't get two kings for that Edo as a big rich. We only get one king, great Oba of Benin. Oba Nedo is not Oba of Benin. Oba Nedo uku akpolo polo. Oba ewa Edo gidiga. Ovie no you tete no huge summer. It's called Oba Nedo. And that Edo, you people are inside. When some of your Enoge went to our palace, our great palace, they knelt down before their father and said, this is our father. When our great God went to visit his children, your Enoge, in Esan, our God sat down while your Enoge stood up, removed their cap to talk to their great father. So no matter how they want demarcate and they want change their reach, una know say agbe no dey. So I want to tell you, this girl, I just want her to wait back when they talk. You see this girl, what this thing when she dey talk, she dey lie. If you see the thing where this girl they do, egwe, ogwaro, that one and number one. Then another one where she can't talk again. Say, now so this girl, I know you for me. Bring them, give them money, make them take the throw words.
You don't fair talk that side.
Okay, you ask me also whether that's true. Ask the girl whether they don't saga themselves for that money.
I tell you something, listen now. Now, we don't be like this now. How do you want peace to be in this Edo Sabas peace and may Esan Benin take get peace?
The peace where go there be say, okay, may I answer you? The peace where go there be say, you see, I hear man of here. None of them can come here today and say we don't rest. We want peace. Just like Ekpenede said, say the girl will still go up on a platform, they throw ways. You understand what I'm saying? So nobody can deceive anybody. If they stop throwing words to my great home, to my heaven on earth, to my great palace, then I will stop insulting the Esan. Yes. But if they don't stop, this is just the beginning. Me also, I want peace. Because I used to think that we are one. But as it is now, all of this will not be one. Nobody will be one with una. Now una they agitate for Eastern states. Now una still they talk say Benin people, Edo people want drive una. Now una come and say una want una state.
If as your experience we don't gather for Europe and we don't gather for life. If they ask you now, say Esan and Benin, are we one? What is your answer?
My brother, that question you asked is a very good question. I used to say that we are one. And for me, but since they are not saying we are not one, do you want me to force it on them? Because my two brothers and sisters, I never even follow the play finish.
Now all of them they talk cannot be individual way be saying individual.
No, my brother, go ahead. Person, that's person we call you in own. Now you will call your own. You understand? So now so this life just be. I beg, make this woman mute now. So if they are coming as young, 3 of them now, since when you on this platform, they don't they talk and say we are not one. Then you want me to come and stoop that
for you talk your own. You know if you use your own experience on your own.
If they say we are not one, then I stand no.
See, your character matters a lot. The whole world is watching us.
Okay, don't preach. I answer you now directly.
If you are a representative to any culture, you have to present to the world that you are a good representative.
Okay.
If you don't present to the world that you are not a good representative, if you want to do it in a way that people will not look us that
it's we have like you don't understand what I'm saying.
I don't want people to look us that we have a mental disorder.
Prince, let you listen to me. You don't understand what I'm trying to say.
Peace. We are creating peace.
Can you listen to me? I said we are one, but they keep on saying we are not one. Do you want me to force it on them like a poison?
My sister, and people when busy they talk.
Who they talk? Who say they talk?
My brother, we never
talk. Hey, Gabriel, moderator, may you take her easy now.
The thing they say,
they say to you, moderator, they bring people come. Not be anybody want talk.
I don't hate anybody.
After if you talk now Lily will talk. Anybody may mute.
The prince, if you need is the problem of Benin people.
Ogwogbona wegi egwebo.
Everybody go talk.
Ashawo in White House.
Bros, you
Okay,
tough.
when you
Bros,
wanna
let
you
them
talk
Ashawo
to
White
them.
House. Ogoragbo.
Bros, let get
FB,
people talk. Gonna mute am.
where?
Okay, give doctor finish.
Ooh.
Give doctor finish.
Ime
Give doctor
agwafo.
finish. Oh yeah, if you 2 minutes, when I give you 2 minutes, me round up.
Egwa
Oh,
ma
doctor
bebe
finish.
me obo biye wana gwe si aye wana na oro biye ba biye.
See, when you how we maybe oppressive sound. Was see I no go.
Obaga
I know I mean
aye
the talk
ko still news as wana si.
Was see I no go.
Okay, only na agolo fo. Me I not talk say we not be one before. Me na take aye wo bi be go ba ke. Akpa
Your time is counting. Your time is counting.
Atemalege. Since here we ba akpa obi ye me I force you mo no ma akpa ke mi. That dog get working again. Esan straight ni agwalo ni we dey agwalo ahia. Ne that dog get total yoga. Na say you're rich. If you say my brother. Me I mute.
Okay. So, my sister Lily, I better unmute yourself.
Okay, you know say I no interject her. All the lie wey she lie against me. First of
Now,
all,
my sister, may I tell you something? This platform, they talk everything. You will talk
Okay.
everything. See the way they talk. May you still talk your own grievances. Not swear, give anybody. Behave mature.
I know
So
they,
that they will look you like a good representative.
I know they
Whether anything
swear,
we don't
I
do
know they
before, fair listen, my sister. Anything we don't do before, did different. Like when they don't talk, if you don't talk, so may you respond. Behave. Okay, more leave you more you talk. Talk
Okay.
everything. When I not distract her.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, host. First of all, I never one day call this lady that one a big lie. In short, Don Priest, I know you for Facebook, so you know her. Whether she lie, you know her. I don't need to call the tell her. You know where she
talk.
dey.
Now, my sister,
So-
talk what you want talk. If you don't talk, you have to talk. They go.
No,
Not the
first
people,
of
not
all,
the
wait now. First of all, she lie against me that I call her. I never want to call her. If she say I call her, she like juju. Make she use that juju where she did. Make she use and swear. Secondly, I did not saga. Okpeka is my big mommy. We are from the same level, Himi. We are even related. I only talk for matter wey dey between she and Iyeki. Yes, I like Iyeki when I dey for Facebook. Not because say I know they do saga. But she dey lie for my head. You understand? When she with Mommy Okpeka get issue, as a third person, I talk, I say, Mommy Okpeka, if you no carry im mama grave, she no go insult our king. If you want people to respect you, you respect yourself. As a third person, I don't talk say she be my auntie. Make I support her. I only stand in the path of truth. And I tell her, this is where you are wrong, and this is where the other one, they wrong. Now, waiting I talk, I no call this girl one day. God forbid. I never call her one day. She lie against me for that one. Two, she said, my own brother is late. Mona tell her where she buy and put, because for me, the Agba will be my own brother from Ebohimi is alive. Me and him they talk for phone. So that one when they talk, now you won't be that one. And thirdly, he said we he insult our king for here. Nobody talk. She said because I'm well brought up lady. I don't fit talk am before. Say if you want know person, go ask in vicinity people around. Now you go know their character. No be this one wey we dey display on social media. She said our king, they manipulate them, they put them for this one, they give us money. I know nothing about money that she's talking about. Let her bring the proof.
Lily, wait till they accuse you for. You never instigate about this fact where they take place for Benin and Esan. You never instigate the problem. You never instigate her.
Oh God, I don't tell you, say, when it comes to defending Esan, I will defend Esan just as every of una they defend una tribe. You cannot be insulting my tribe. You say I call they defend your own. Never. I will not do it. You understand now? So all these things where she they talk, now me want clear.
Okay.
I want clear. You know what say when she lie against me, make I not talk about that one.
She talk. May I quick tell you this one? She say after there was a time where be say Esan king give una money. When I tell they do all
I
this
know
thing.
nothing. Oh God, please, don't please.
So now,
I
for the
know
fact,
nothing. May she bring proof where they forgive us money. May she bring proof. But
That
we
means
dey
una
there for
not
this
fight
thing. We dey
una
there
not
for
fight
social media.
Wait, una not fight for any money.
I don't know anything about money. You don't know her with her propaganda. May she bring proof where we for share money. I don't even know anything about money. You understand?
Okay,
Yeah,
another
okay,
one
that
again.
even makes
Another one
sense. That
again.
it makes
Listen,
sense.
okay.
King
another
give
one
us
again.
money, we don't come TikTok, come dey fight for the money. That is
Okay,
the
wait,
message. I
another
don't
one
do
again.
anything
This
about money.
another one again. You still get where this you get one guy wey make sure he name just now. He say the guy come go Esan land, come go pack Esan Kings, carry them together, make them call the supporter for wetin they do.
Oga, wait. That Esan King, does it affect the Benin people? Don't
No,
please me they ask.
he say the guy they insult our king. All those Esan King call the backer.
No, you know so they talk. Shebi we dey there for social media. It's not truth. Shebi we dey there for social media when we dey hear say gwagi unre. No be so they talk. Say Palace don send una message. Many of them they talk say they hear from Palace. Now true say that Palace nice send them. You understand? Okay, we did the thing as an Esan people. We said from today, from you and from Ebohimi. In Ebohimi where I come from, we know they call Benin person may come break cola for us. Not all yes and that thing they happen. May I state that in fact too. But the some way they do them, they stop them. Say from now, no Benin will break cola for yes and person.
Why
And they affect Benin person.
That doesn't take place. They go for a very long time. Why they go stop that
But
thing?
not all Esan that it take place.
Why they go
That's
stop
what
that
people
kind?
don't know.
Wait, see, I dog I saw my dog. Do you never hear?
My brother, you know if you come my house, may come be senior for my house. Don't please.
Dog
You
I
don't come
saw my
my
dog.
man, my husband leave bed for you when you sleep.
You know me say
That one na for una, not be for other people. This is the
if
problem.
you do marriage, come listen. If you do marriage for your Esan, Benin man did the king or any Benin chief did they, now not give me pray. That marriage not successful. You don't know.
Na lie. Don't please change that
It's not
thing.
successful.
Change that
You not make that marriage successful.
My own big mindset. Change that.
Constitutional right. No, we need to give. No, the marriage will be successful. Maybe people don't go carry my
You
word
allow
for
your
God.
sister
The
to
marriage will
talk
be
lie
successful.
against us.
But let me tell you, people, the constitutional right of
If
our
I lie,
culture.
swear with your children if una not fight for money. Well, una cheat. Give una.
Madam,
Swear
I
with your
said may
children.
you swear. Now you accuse me now.
People
Okay,
go na
okay.
say
You
they
accuse
no
me.
fight.
wait,
You
Don't be
swear
wait.
with
there.
your
If you
children.
may you swear. If you may you
Now
swear.
you
If that thing wey
accuse
you
me.
talk
Now
na the
let him
truth, may
swear
you
with
swear.
your children.
If you may you swear. If that thing wey you talk na the truth, you may you swear.
Abeg, comment section.
Now you see how
Una
you
no
talk about section.
fear.
Swear, now you
comment
talk
section
When
about
they
why
dey
section
fight for
happen?
money.
Na comment
Prince,
section why
that thing
happen?
happen. It
When they dey
happen,
fight
not
for
be lie.
money.
I see the
Una swear
saga.
now.
Princess
Now accuse
JJ,
me
Princess
now.
JJ, the thing really
I
happen.
It happen,
I
not
go
be lie.
lie
Oh
It
yeah,
again.
you
happen.
swear now, madam.
It happen.
Swear with your children.
Madam, you
According
dey
to
lie.
Israel.
Everything where you dey talk since
Una
everything na
say na
lie.
house plate give una
Mona
money.
no
Una
dey
say dey
lie
sell
because
am.
of
Una
the
go dey
boss,
fight.
Please.
Mona take
But
am
please, you
easy.
people they take my
Madam,
time.
take am
When she
easy.
dey talk, I
Okay,
no
Mona
talk.
wait, Mona not distract
But
her.
this
Mona
my
don't dey
door
like
now,
say we no
enough
let
una
her
won't
talk.
talk.
Abeg, Mona
But
no let
please,
Wamujane. Why
but
Mona not
please,
distract her? My
she
sister
that
not
is
vex.
alleged.
Not vex, may
But
you
please,
talk.
she that is alleged must bring
Lily,
proof.
wait, Lily. May I not distract you again? Yours they talk. May just talk everything. Not vex. Yours they
Okay.
talk everything.
Don Prince, about the money, I've said it. I know nothing about money. You understand now? Now they accuse me. Let them first of all take a lead by swearing. Two of them, make them swear. Say, if now true, say we fight because of money. Let them swear first. If there's fit swear, me I go swear.
If any no J for Esan land give una money, una come the chair.
Yes, if any king don't ever call me self, talk less of say we wan share money, make them swear that.
Okay, you want my ask then?
Yes.
You feel mute my ask then?
This boy wey dey don
When
preach
you
no
wait,
vex. This boy
if you
wey dey
wait,
for comment section. What did they call him? He even join the fight. He say,
If you wait,
he
if
say
you-
Ashley be dey call am. We say he no call am. He say make he call am. He wan call am back. He see miss call.
Please, you dey here.
That
If
close
they
the
call,
fight between them.
see don
If you why you go dey call her slave? You a king, a whole king. How you dey call? I don't feel want you sis.
Okay, Uromi Enoge.
If you come, not cause they make this place come be like say they fit say
Okay,
they fit talk to you.
Don
If you
Prince,
listen,
Don
Ashley,
Prince,
if
why I think mute take
this the
comment
last
now?
one. See, if you cannot measure that king, say a king, energy of Esan. If you cannot say energy of Esan, if you, I beg, not let me, you get problem for you. I beg.
Don Prince, wait, I wan ask you question. When you dey ask this girl just
Don
now,
Prince,
he
Ilawowo,
say,
please
he no
mute
fit
this
call
guy.
Oba.
Mute this
Then
guy.
you want me to call their Enoge? You want me to
OTC,
call
mute
him?
am.
What?
So if you, the question where she ask you, listen.
Are we setting to your bed Oba?
Listen the question where she ask you. You accuse her say, then the guy one guy will make sure his name. You say that guy and they go Esan land, Esan Enoji can't give them money, they can't share the money, they can't dey quarrel for the money. So now the girl say no, he not do one. May you swear if really say
Don
that
Prince, it happen.
May you swear put now if it really happen.
Don Prince,
Oh,
no,
yes,
listen.
swear with
As
your
I talk
children.
am, Don Prince, oh yeah, dog working. As I talk am,
Yeah,
she go
okay,
swear.
leave
If
that
it really
part.
happen, she
Lily,
go
may you
swear.
wait. Lily, wait. May I talk to her? Lily, wait. If you know so you cannot swear, I beg leave that rumor alone. I beg you.
Which one be rumor? You see, even my
You
adult
know you
brothers and
cannot
sisters,
swear.
they could not even unmute and write it here because
If you
they
cannot
all
swear, leave comment section. People wait there,
I'm so
yes, they not
ashamed
get the way
of
that
all
it
of
happen.
you.
Leave comment section cannot help you. Not be comment section.
Oh,
If you
Comment
not,
section not get there when it happen.
if you not swear, leave everything for the gods. Anybody
Make
wey
una
in
leave am
life,
for
the
God.
gods
So
of
if
our
you-
land
you
go
don't
take
wait,
cannot
life.
swear, leave am for God.
The day where that
Leave am
person
for
go
Nika.
enter the land,
Nika,
na that
yes,
day
again,
that
Nika,
person
oh,
go
okay,
be the
okay.
man go
Leave
wake
am
up.
for
Leave am
Nika.
for Enika o.
Leave am for
Leave
Nika.
am. If
Now they
you
won't leave
not
am for
swear,
Enika o.
leave am.
Enika o, now they won't leave
Leave
am for
am.
Enika.
The day where that person
Now
go.
he say make I swear o. Oya make
Lily,
him first swear now. He say go
Lily,
leave am for Enika o.
Lily,
Which Enika o?
Lily,
Wan leave am
Madam
for?
Lily,
You dey
Lily.
lie well. Oya
Madam,
na
you are
make
a
una
liar.
mama
If you
swear
talk again, I'll
na.
come out you. Moderator, moderator, you are not hearing me. Moderator, moderator, you are not hearing me. Moderator, you are not hearing me. Moderator,
Not
you are
be
not
me,
hearing me.
not be me. Oh, na
Moderator.
people, another person na dey do am, not be me. True to God.
Well, okay. Moderator, not
Please
be
una go give me
No,
my time back o. I no understand. When you reach my time, everybody
we'll
wan
give
come
you your
use my
time.
time.
Prince,
Give
na
me
me
your
dey
time.
bring everybody dey come up na me, no.
I'm
Aya
way
don my
moderator.
big
I'm way moderator. Solution center. Solution center. Yeah, what bono? Oh, why you like moderator?
Because this thing, you know me
Yeah,
go
well,
matter.
Peter said do well.
Edo Prince, where kwe no ma ve egun who kwe no ma ve egun
My
Please,
sister,
may I help
where
you over
they?
my back, baby?
My
I'm
sister,
not open my own because you are my brother.
my Princess
Okay, don't
I
present
leave
you with
this guy
double
since
pa.
because I
Who
know
when
they
you
do
me
bias. Many people want to talk.
I'm going to set it to your bed door. He won't
Where
be
would drive
Ife
here? Where would drive here? No, it's a problem.
I said it's
But
about.
sister,
That's what I said. I said, Don Prince. What did I say? Don Prince.
My sister, wait.
Don Prince, what did I talk?
My sister, listen.
calm
My
down. He
sister,
say
wait.
1
My
hour,
sister,
calm
wait.
down.
My sister, wait. You see that word we talk just say Esan enoje give una money na come share. As I say talk and you can't say you know talk I can't tell if you swear and people they watch us. Say many people want to talk. I leave you here since. You know me say I don't want bring people come oh. More than not come there. If I want do bias, I go drop everybody. I go dey bring one person. I go drop everybody. I go dey bring one person. So we'll leave that one aside. So Lily, by the power invested in me as the 002 of Edosaba space, I banish that word when they say una go share money. I cancel that word. That is social media power when they take give me 002 of Edosaba space. I cancel that matter. So Lily, for now, not talk about that money it come again. So we want give you chance now. Talk everything, Lily.
Okay,
Lily, talk everything.
thank you.
Talk everything.
Thank you, Don Prince. Make I so that I go give other people chance.
Lily.
Okay, first of all, as I talk about cola before, that cola is matter between the Esan people. We did not impose it in anybody. Now only with the Esan, it's only our king that was
Lily,
gathering
get out of
there.
my say everything wey they talk here, people they record down. Oh. Get out of my say everything wey they go talk,
Yes,
people they record
now.
down. Eh.
Yes, that cola something is between the Esan people. You understand? We have a Esan traditional council, which is only the Esan king that will go to that meeting. It's not Edo State only Esan people. You understand? So they came together as king. They pronounce. You understand? It don't affect any other people. They kind of for head though. Hey, why Esan go say they not break their cola? Is it by force to break cola from somebody? We don't
We
know.
talk about
Wait,
Okuku, na no care for her.
I don't know bring it back again. Wa ma get gun, wa gbe we fear there abi. Wa only get do astrote eh. We fear agun again egun irrespectively. If you go dey talk, G go respect am, but I no let am. If you go dey oppress am, una dey say if you dey oppress am. Na dey say sha, if you abeg, meet yourself make you talk. The egun.
So, Don Prince, the cola matter is left for we the Esan people, and our king came out
My
because
sister,
they have
na
final
cola dey
say.
bring matter and cola dey bring problem. Na cola, that cola na dey bring problem.
He join Don Prince he join when you know here when Ekpenede was talking, he said when we do it, he start insulting all the old king in Esan land. He said it. So all of them join. You cannot be in me, Don Prince, me Lily. I will never fight any Benin person. Say why they praise the king. but don't force me to
Lady,
join
sorry,
it.
that was
But
not
I
my
have
reason,
my
but you are
own
changing
king.
it, eh? That wasn't
I
my
have my
reason.
own king. You hear now?
That is
That
not what
is.
she. That is not what he said, Madam Lily.
Oh, una rest. Another man not say. Are you?
The time you were
You said.
talking, my sister,
You
wait,
said now
Ekpenede,
okuku
the
time
time you
for
were
come. That
talking,
means you don't even know
she did not
anything.
reply you. If na court you dey, Ekpenede, she don't win you for case. If judge dey with you now, say, they
Make
say
she
before
make
una
she don't
talk.
dey speak your own language again. They speak your language.
If you na you get your language,
Na
dey
your
calm
language.
down.
Now
If
my
you calm
language
down.
that they speak.
If you na you get your
Yes, now.
language, if you relax, if you not the cause of cyber war, not the cause cyber war, not the lacan. If you the time all of una dey talk, this girl no interrupt any of una. The time all una dey talk, this girl did not interrupt any of you people. Lily was listening to you guys. Una lie for her body, oh, una not lie for her body. She bear am. Una get am in case if una dey court. Una dey court, for example, una say judge dey talk to una. He say make this one talk. You go dey obstruct am. You don lose case. You don't lose case. I'm telling you people, none of you know. If you stand in front of judge like this, judge dey settle on a matter. So you can't say make this one talk, this one listen to you. Now the other one want talk, you can't dey obstruct. Judge will say, oh, you people are oppressing these people. That's how judge go talk. So whether na fair right or they'll come feel say una dey oppress the other person because that one use innocenti to finish una. E get wetin dey call innocenti spirit. Una no know. Innocenti spirit, if una give them chance, they go finish. Someone are wise. Edo people, Esan people, everybody, may we wise. May we give this girl chance, may they talk everything with their mind. May they talk her grievances. I beg. So Lily talk.
Okay, so as I dey talk, that kola dey among because when that kola time happen, they insult our king, nothing they no talk. And you dey here, Don Priest, when she was insulting, calling the Onoje of Uromi, Onoje by his name. No be say me, I don't know now Oba name.
I still tell her
Oba
me
name.
not do. I still tell her
Yes,
say me not do.
I know,
tell
Don
her.
Priest. Yes, you did it. But I'm trying to tell you that no be say me no know una Oba name. I know his name. But because me and she will not be dissenting. So I know that's what I say. I know they insult, just that they insult person king. Because you know why I don't praise? Because I know say if you insult my wife, I will not like it. So I will not first of all to insult your this your people, they can push person to the end where we say you will not respond. Now your response then will come carry for head. Now when I talk for una language say you know you know say you don't like people throwing mouth to your king. You will be insulting other people king because you feel that their king is lower than your king. For me, I want him where I come from. I'm very proud to be able to him a woman. Now only okay. Now we know for able him where I come from. So my king is number one. As you respect your king, that's how I respect my king. I will not go and be insulting your king because I don't want you to insult my own. They say respect is reciprocal. Don Priest, wetin go bring all these things is everybody should respect themselves. If I said my king is not the child of your king, respect it. It's my own decision to take. Say my king go the Onoje of any king in Esan land. They are not the children of una king. It's my decision. Just as you, they say your own are God on earth. I no follow you argue am. Why you now come they follow us? They argue our own. When we talk say our own too na number one for me. The Onoje of Himi, if you like, make it be 3 years old. Then they born king. They know they carry king come from somewhere, come plant am for Himi. Now born that they born now, we don't know where him mama come from. And now for Himi, there they choose. Now king they first marry first wife where go be Esan. So my king is number one to me. Make everybody praise their king. Don't force anybody to help you to praise your own. You understand now? So Don Priest, if everybody respect their self, we no go get issue. No, they tell me say Esan, there be una children. We no like that word. We no like am. No, they talk am. And if I said I no be one, it's my personal decision. You another Esan person fit call you, you go say una be one. Una embrace that one. Leave us alone. We no want problem. All we know is that make everybody get boundary. Respect we will respect you. I say respect is reciprocal. You know if they underrate Esan people and you expect Esan people to be praising you people, to be helping you people. Even in our history where una they talk today, you will always see Esan person in that history that he have fought for the Benin people. We have stood for you people. But nowhere in the history, Don Priest, that Benin people have fight for Esan people.
All this way they talk, so now all Benin they do
no be all Benin
this
they
way
do
they talk, so now all Benin they do
Don Priest, my best friend na Benin girl. This our fight no concern our friendship.
All
You dey
that
hear now?
question I ask
So
you, all these things wey dey talk so now how Benin dey do am.
no be all Benin dey do am, no be all Esan dey do am. Dey respect
So
to
if
them
you
too.
dey talk, make people dey not manipulate anything. Many people dey watch us. You talk say some individuals
Don Prince, I fit
this
ask
is what they are
question.
doing.
I fit ask question. Don Prince, I fit ask
I
question.
mean, you wan ask question, abi na Lily.
I wan ask her question.
Lily, you ready to answer the question?
My brother, she don already talk say I be lie. So wetin I wan come answer wey no be lie?
I wan ask you question,
So,
madam.
You say I be lie
Princess,
now. Say I wan use lie answer your
Princess,
question.
Princess, they never give you chance make you take talk
Mona no
since.
dey mute me na. I
Then
wan
wait, now
ask a
Princess, if Lily talk, you will
question. I
give you chance make
never
you talk your
talk
own. Lily,
since.
Princess, if Lily talk, you finish, I will give you time make you talk your because you never talk since. So after
I don dey
Lily
talk for
now,
1
I'll
hour
give you chance.
now.
I know now your way make Lily talk you finish. Well, you don't try since if you talk you now, you talk you. We don't say you don't take it, we don't oppress you, I beg not vex. On behalf of everybody we dey beg you not vex. More you give Lily time, may talk I will finish. May take her grievances. Mona leave anything when she want talk. Whether he insult anybody or he talk, Mona leave her, make she talk wetin they are mad. I beg. So if they still give una chance, una still talk now.
Okay, Don Prince, I don talk. You say wait, what? Wetin you ask now? The way
I say
forward,
okay now
right?
as it come be
The
now.
way forward.
The
eh,
way
the
forward
way
now because
forward is
now we want maybe say we want make peace dey this Edo Sabah space. You dey hear wetin I tell so? May I carry myself
okay.
enter beast. May I carry myself enter beast screen make they dey see me well. See,
Okay.
wetin we dey want now? See this lady now wey I carry come out so. This lady now na Esan woman this woman be. This woman now I pay anybody wey you talk about our king. She go carry our king picture dey put for her platform. Dey promote it. Dey promote it. Promote evil things wey you know say some of all these people wey dey talk for Europe, some of them not well like that. They get colo problem. Most of people wey dey wey be say they always talk all this kind of thing, they get colo problem. If you go check the way, if even hospital assist chance stay hold there, psychiatric hospital like person like Boko now, if psychiatric hospital hold Boko 3 years, they no go leave am. They go chain am join bed. Boko na person wey be say even psychiatric hospital they look for am. That make you see say Jenny run for Jenny. The sense so if they see anywhere they see am for now, say Italy see psychiatric people they feel whole land, they will chain am. So imagine say person like Boko they talk. This woman go put our king picture for Boko talk. It's just and upon say we see the beat her, she still dey do am. Now the matter I carry come say okay, my people when I come see this woman wey be say they say they do all these things since me don dey pour her down. I can't use this woman show example. Make the whole world see and say this na the Esan woman wey dey promote hate against our kingdom. We not like am. If na see Benin person dey do am, I still go carry am come. When Ivie first dey do all this, I know wetin I do Ivie for here. Even you see wetin I do Ivie. I know they take rubbish. People, I know they take side. If you see the way I tell they talk here, sis now, people, I don't want maybe say the confess side, they oppress one side. I know they oppress one side. Lily, they hear me?
I dey hear you, man. I dey hear you, Don Prince. I dey hear you.
Sister, the way me take they do us, I they oppress anybody.
No.
Okay, if me they do it like this, everybody they do it like this, peace not dey this social media.
Peace go dey now. Peace go dey. Everybody go hear their grievances as you
Me
talk.
you don't ever see me insulting some people.
No.
Since you get this social media, I don't ever see you say insulting some people. You they agree, me they insulting some people.
No, the little I know, no, I never see am, and I need to do. I've never seen it. You understand?
Say, oh, see, when me or not say about nobody, we comment section when I sing. Why block on one?
We say comment section. We are to control comment section. A comment section, them no we are to control.
Who block here when I want to say about
My sister, when my TV now, even not they put out in the time. Why I got both time on? Because people they talk for many social media. They say don't please don't please they insulting some people. Don't please they agree me that they insulting some people. They spoil my name. They go. People they use propaganda and lie. They spoil my name. They go. Even Okpaika, when me they respect Okpaika. When me if they beat Okpaika for this media, I go stand. They support Okpaika. I about say me and my woman get small misunderstanding. Okpaika come out. He start to the talk with you no know. He start to the talk. You're the lie. As far as Okpaika lie for my body is to show say everything Okpaika they do for this Edo Sabah space. He just they manipulate people. Who and I'm working make Benin. In where you make it very matter where if una dey matter gbeme, if you use truth they beat me, I'll be very happy. Say, now truth you take beat me. But if you lie against me, I'm gonna look you say you be biggest fool. Okpaika can lie against me. Talk many lie. No one you call the debunker, but me and Okpaika get our fight. Me your friend ready for that one. And that one not concern this issue. So my sister Lily, what are they begging? If any individual you see say they sort some people, you get right to carry that person come out, carry papa, carry anybody, beat her the way you like. If I see that person, Lily, I will conjure you beat her. It is me so whether be new anybody carry that person individual, more they beat individual, not be more not cause everybody will come they pack everybody along, saying everybody no, now that one mean not stand put. We know if we pack everybody now. No, there are some individuals, some evil people where be say that they cause all this problem. So that those individual, if we feel they breed a come out, like the way I carry this woman come out now, like 3 people feel they breed different individual come out, you go see say they will run for this matter. They'll come say I see no bias. But if you come to say, Sama o, be people, they be bad people. If we come to do all those things, we are spreading hate to ourselves. We are making the people, everybody look at us that we are fighting ourselves. We are making the whole world to look at us that we are looking stupid. They'll come and say we look stupid. You know, good make the peace say only one small place who for come we suppose unite, draw one tree. Maybe say anything we do together go be one love. But because of hate, we all dey fight each other for nothing sake. If you ask each other how to the fight put, we not get what to the fight put. We not get what to the fight. Now your disrespect now the fight put. We get here called disrespect. Now disrespect all of us the fight put. We are from one kingdom, Edo kingdom. You say so. Now your disrespect now with the fight put. So Lily, I will give you your time again. Make you talk your own. When if you say we not give you chance, let you talk with your man.
Please, I don't like this thing. I dey comot
No,
here. I don't
Lily,
like this thing. Now let she
No,
dey
let
here.
Lily on the
Now
talk,
let she
sis.
dey here.
Lily,
Who will follow you here?
Una sister
Lily,
dey
Lily,
don dey change
Who
things.
will follow you
Yes,
here?
so they use Benin people, they settle Esan. You dey use Benin people, they settle Esan.
We dey don button eh.
E reach my
Eh,
time,
you
I reach my
dey
time.
go on.
Ọ̀nà ló wá gbé ìyẹn gbé
My sister must talk. Princess
Hey, Lily, you got well, Lily now go pay you.
Hey, don't bring anybody come. Not bring anybody come. Not bring anybody.
Madame, you correct, you must send the platform.
We're to Rena here. Princess JJ, I beg me you talk. I beg, talk your man.
Because if never hear no hear no who do aje ma mia. Madam, now you Lily, I want to ask this question. Everything where you say some people that we new con social media. We know new con social media. We they see everything A to Z where be say una they do for this social media, especially this TikTok. We not be say we not they see am. We they see am. Make I ask you, everything where they talk about the Benin Kingdom, if you reach Edo, you go fit talk and one-on-one. You fit answer me?
Madam, if I reach Edo, you insult my king, I will insult your king back. Even
No, now they tell you if you
Now
go
they
fit
talk,
talk
now
as
they answer you
one-on-one
now.
first. No,
I say if you to
one-on-one,
look
everything.
for
Excuse me, everything where they
Madam,
talk
now
for
we
social
get that-
media.
that
If you
be-
reach,
all of us
if
get
you
am.
reach,
If you look
not be
me
all of
for
us. Since you
face,
say we not be one, not be all of us get am. We not be one. Now I dey ask you question. Answer me. As I ask you this question, you answer me. What you they do for social media? Yeah. If you reach Benin, if you reach Edo, you go fit. Excuse me. You go fit talk and one-on-one. You go fit talk and you go fit face the palace. Say you want talk this thing one-on-one. Yes or no?
Madam, you if you come Esan
No,
now,
you go
I do
no.
face my palace and say what you are saying
Answer
one-on-one.
me, not break. No, answer me. You go
Madam,
fit talk
don't
and
answer
one-on-one.
I don't answer you.
Oyepa.
You never
We are
answer
causing
me. You
distraction
never
now. We are
answer
causing
me.
distraction now. My sister, no answer question. Talk your man. My
Good
sister, talk
afternoon,
your man. No answer
everybody.
No,
question.
I need to ask. No,
answer question. Talk your own.
Don't
Talk
please,
your own.
make you mute
That one
your
go
side
cause
now.
accident. My sister, that one
Don't
go cause
please, you
accident.
knew
That one
enter
go
TikTok.
cause
use
Make
your
I
head,
ask
Sister, talk
question
your
now.
own. No,
Prince.
No, please.
JJ, talk your own. Talk wetin they make you the verse. Talk your own for the world. Talk, don't cause wetin you cause argument.
I beg, if you
Don
be
Prince,
moderator, don't mute me anyhow. I don't like it, please. All these things what now they do, nobody send you now. You guys are just creating war on social media. Lily, I want to correct some points. You understand? You don't even know who I am. I know Ewoyimi very well. I know Okangben. I know everywhere. I know the energy. But it's not everything you come online, you come they talk. Sometimes maybe they use our brain. Some of una never even enter Nigeria 30 years, 40 years. Una no even know the tradition where they go on right now. Make we try to make peace. Edo Benin, we are one. The old time narrative where some of our parents give us that time. Now we tell they get this bad belle. We are made to work based on narrative e still dey our mind. You understand? When we dey grow dey come, some of our parents go say if we marry Ishan woman, God forbid, Ishan not good. All those things still dey some of our mind. Now make us come social media. Some of una no even know where una for come, una no even know una village. Una go open TikTok, una go just dey carry course enter house. Please, let's be guided. I beg una, please. When all this one most of una can't do for abroad, Esan Benin fight, una go just the fight everywhere. I won't lie to you, some of you people. I'm so ashamed of you people. Sometimes I don't even like coming on TikTok because if you say Lily, you go school, I'm so disappointed at you. If you come and say Benin and Edo not be the same. Who's saying you? Who told you that? You are not right for saying that. We are one family. If you go Ikbobahi, you go Aduwawa. Not be Ishan people for all those places. If you go up permission, not be Ishan people for there. Most Ishan people grow up in Benin City. Who can send una? Who na can they divide everything for social media? It's uncalled for. It's not nice. It's not nice at all. For real.
Thank you, my sister. Make I ask my question finish because I want to drop now, please.
And Don Prince, I won't beg you. When people come to your platform, respect them. No look Uche face. I understand you are trying to protect your
my sister,
home.
not easy to control crowd. I see they try. Not easy. Nobody is perfect.
I know that you are trying to protect your marriage. These people will not be there tomorrow when your marriage is falling apart. But wait till I can't tell you. Use your number 6. I beg.
My sister, nobody
Princess JJ talk.
Don Prince, let me ask. Una wait. I beg. Una not let me talk finish. I beg.
Let her talk.
Don Prince, I dey ask question.
Princess, I beg. Wait. You give Lily.
Mama, allow now. The princess Iguana allow.
I tell you since because I want calm down. Don Prince, you not let me dey ask this question. You let this girl dey talk everything. Wait, you tell this girl say make she talk everything, man. And this girl dey blow like this. So make I answer the question because na dey bring fight come this social media. So make I ask am if he come Edo, he go fit talk wetin she dey talk for TikTok, yes or no? Na wetin me I wan ask. I no wan hear anything before me go know what to do. Lily, if you reach Edo, you go fit talk wetin they talk for this TikTok.
I no be your pikin when you go tell me I want to answer. Me too, they ask you.
Yes or no?
If you reach Edo, you go fit look my king and call her Duke.
Me they tell you, if you reach home, you go fit talk. Excuse me. No, you answer me. Yes or no?
If you
yes or no, you go fit face the house for
Madam. If you reach Edo, you go fit
do Edo and Esan not be the same. You go fit talk am.
Madam, you go fit do one on one. You go fit talk and say they not be the same. Come,
Lily, the way you dey cause fight between Edo and Esan for social media, you have to be careful. I dey tell you. You have to be careful. You have to stop all this nonsense. Una get group oh. Now all of una na dey comment section. You are not supposed to.
Shame me no dey see you the way they see you.
You just
dey see you the way you dey see.
Excuse me, may you mute your side. I don't get time for you. But my own be say, I know they do saga. Me no dey do saga, but me
saga.
Me your matter dey my hand. Your matter dey my hand. Me and you go down one day. Me and you go down one day.
That's why I go fit
go. Princess, if you get this way, you want to talk.
She no let me talk. The priest dey there, na you no mute her. The priest dey there, you no mute her. You dey let her dey talk since you no let
Yeah,
me.
Please, why they miss that? They go talk, they settle, they
Princess,
meet. Make them calm down now.
I no cause
if you want
wahala.
to
No
go
be me
is
dey
not
cause
too much.
wahala.
Princess, if
Okay,
you want
it's
to
not
go
this my
cause wahala,
turn. Me
don't
dey
come me to
cause
bad
wahala.
person. If you want to me to bad person, Princess, I will
No,
drop
you don't meet her. You
Go
go
and
let
tell
me
anybody
talk.
to want
If you
to
drop
tell.
me, you drop me, my brother.
Because I
I
can't
no
tell you
saying.
something, make you talk with it in your
I
mind. They
no
say you want
saying.
to question.
But
I
you
don't
know
give
the
it to me,
let me
ask
dey
question.
talk
Say not
here.
meet her, not meet her.
Okay,
If you want
you
to
mute
talk
her. Let
your
me
mind.
talk.
Don't tell me to bad
You go
person,
let me
Princess.
talk. Okay,
Don't
let
tell
me
me to
talk my
bad
mind.
person.
I'm not telling you to bad person, my brother. No, my brother.
Again,
Ebi ya usi
If
maneke.
you reach your turn, if you not talk, if your mother doesn't say turn, where at all. If you never reach your turn, if you not talk,
Let my sister talk now.
leave her make
No
talk. Get
wahala.
one,
No wahala. Wa we say, Ivie, Gario Sadodo.
Yes, no ask
Lago,
question again,
Ivie,
talk.
wa Giatore.
Ona ono usi, my sister here wari sa do wa do na ono usi. O me plan so na re wasi. For 1 hour ya mu dey na we do ta.
Please, my thought to talk. May you let me know. Good afternoon.
No, wait. For 1 hour, now she take the
The
see.
priest, leave
For
one.
1 hour, wait.
But
For
the priest, priest,
Ure,
I
I
am
want to
dropping
go.
my
If
man
you wait.
ma. Priest JJ ma
Okay,
crossing.
we ma kwen no go on. Even when no go on na, or no
Okay,
time.
go on here, we are
Okay,
gonna
I
go
want
pay
no water.
you.
Asa, okay,
Mama,
wait.
do that.
Continue your talk. Uyeri yota ya nota. The thing they cost wahala. They cost wahala. Okay, leave that one. Talk your own mind. Now we are the platform where they are going. On our own, where those sing, my sister. Una gele active no ma. Inika ogewe. A princess, they look me well. May I put it for this thing? Igbo kaninya, igbinya no ka. Princess agime. Igbo kaninya, igbinya no ka. Una gele ama ndi ho emma. Una gele zingbe. Venu bere woni mi yase commotion. Uzege okay, Lily wait, okay, may I continue. Uma continue. Uye zolota. Okay, now to continue now, when why don't we blame me, ane? Don't prissy. Every time you want to give me blame. Usabo arewe. On na bolofwa. If really we eho we man gele agbina we o need a settlement ne esave doni ma okpa eho we na ma it will be well with you. But eho we man na ma we who pretend Almighty God they wash you. Anyhow they wash not be only you. Everybody we dey inside this matter we get good at. Anyhow they wash all of us. Anybody wey be say e dey wey be say they want to cause chaos, they instigate problem against Esan Benin. Anyhow they wash all of us. So more give Lily talk. Lily, you know why Lily? May I tell you
Please,
something?
may I talk here? I can't meet people that don't talk matter. No, let me talk. Please,
I
Shorty, give
won't-
Lily,
I
give
won't-
Lily, may I talk.
I
Let
won't
me
talk.
talk.
Solution. You know why
I
they
want
let
to
Lily
be
go?
final talk. Make I
Okay,
dey
wait,
go.
Lily.
God,
You know
please.
why they Lily?
Thank you very.
Lily, you know why I give you audience here today? You don't say we be say who come on Lily? Me I go more. Moderator, Babe was
I
moderator.
talk now. You know what I want to talk?
Moderator, Mona
I
carry
want the
Lily.
lie where problem they do.
My sister, not be you call this problem with the ground. When they fight this fight, you know this side solution. Solution. People will be say they don't they fight this fight for long. Now they be this one. Why they give you Lily audience? You don't tell why they hear Lily. See Lily. I they hear Lily. They don't carry brokers concern. He moderator ni me viori na. If I hack platform me they don't hack my platform. They don't hack my platform. Hey, I'm a brokers here. They don't hack my platform. They don't hack my platform. They don't hack my platform. Hey,
Come
after
on,
this.
I'm of here go do kumba.
Yeah,
I'm of here go do kumba. We go me
yeah,
go.
hack your platform, man. They don't hack my platform. Yeah, hack your platform, man.
They drop me. Oh, they drop me. I don't know.
They don't hack
I
my
wanted to
platform.
say
Oh,
this
yeah,
final-
okay. Maria, if you marry, oh. Since when I take carry one mascot, that time my moderator. I went in where, mama, you know what? But I bring one mascot. It will to be quasi. It will go say, yeah, oh. Me am one mascot. Now, different thing. One mascot. La. I'm very bad when not be me the do, not be me the do. Do you remember brother? Different thing they see. Different thing they see, one man. What one way? Hey, Brokos, no what? What BJ Brokos is Brokos, and you can see where the game or where I go. Woman repent. And you can see where we talk. On in a bolofwa. So I beg my sister, why they give you audience? They give you audience this, because now they do the matter since for long. Now they talk and since for long. So now I want make peace day. Now make me they give you time. Make you talk your mind. Make everybody see your grievances I beg. If I still give you time, as you still talk your grammar, you still try. Preach peace. Preach peace. Let them know say we be one. If you got the phone say we not be one, you see they try to do grievances. That means you are still instigating problem. You hear me? So talk your own, Lily.
Na me dey talk abi.
So, Don Prince, thank you very
Go,
much.
my sister, Lily, go on,
Prince,
Lily, go on.
Don Prince, I appreciate you so much because they are picking on you because you no allow them to marginalize me, which me sef I no go agree. The only marginalization they will mute
They
me.
are not marginalizing you. Everybody get
No, I
their own
say
opinion.
you
When
no
you get your
gree, you
opinion,
no
so they
gree.
get their
Now they
opinion.
talk.
Everybody get their opinion.
And now they talk. I say you no allow them to press my tongue for grand, which you know dey possible. So Don Prince, because of you, na I make I still stay here till now. Even my people dey tell me say make I do. I say no. See, they say respect is given to those who honor it. Respect
The way
is
you take respect me,
earned.
so
You
the
know
way you take
dey
respect
force
me, so
people.
the way you
Yes,
take respect me, so God will still respect
yes.
you. But I beg, after
You
you
know
don't
dey
talk,
force people to respect you. You earn it.
I
Respect is the
know,
end.
I
So
know,
as
I
you
beg.
earn
Me see
am,
the beg
na
you
make
now.
am give am to you. You understand?
So me see the use
Don
and beg
Prince,
you now.
I
Say if
don't
you really
get
say
issue with
listen,
all these
if you
people.
listen, Billy, if you know say it come for your heart, may you try the peace. Even so your sisters, your brother, they vex, tell them say may they relax, may they relax, more the
No problem.
peace. So talk your mind.
Don Prince, I no get issue with Benin person. That one no mean say if I see Benin person for road wey need help, I no go give am. No, I go give am. You understand? Because we are human. But you see, this mutual respect wey we dey talk, na be the thing. If you respect me, we will respect you. Before some people come outside, it take time. Before all of us come outside, say this disrespect don too much. If they respect us, Don Prince, we go respect them in return. We are still in the same state, no matter anything. Even the state will never get am now, right? But if everybody respect each other, we no go get problem. You understand? We know say before if anybody, if Benin person get issue, all Esan go join hand. But before Esan come dey drop back, you go know say na wetin dem don do us. You understand? Me, if dem want peace, I want peace too. Me, I no be troublemaker person o. Who know me, dem know me. But when you come dey try say you wan come dey press my neck because I dey respect you, I go throway the respect for to Spain. Na wetin just dey happen. So if dem want peace, we too we want peace. Make dem respect us, we go respect dem.
So
No
now
dey tell
from
me
today,
say na
they
you
respect
born
you
me,
now.
no be by force to born person.
So from today, the beg I want beg you, any individual wey disrespect you now, may you call me. Or you might not be there yet. Call me say, brother, please see this person. We don't start to, we'll know how would fit settle the issue. So that make peace for day. You understand me? So from now, if you see go your platform, you go to okay. See, so I take go the priest platform. I beg okay, for now. Make all of us seize. All the women will be safe now. They blog. When I not they bring our Abba picture, they put it they disrespect our Abba here. Any year people wey your thought or go put Esan king or our Abba king. It's not good. You cannot put any Esan king picture on a relevant talk, rubbish talk. Wey kolo person wey dey smoke banana for abroad. Dog because they abroad. Una can't go. You can't talk one year word. Una can't go put our king picture. All those things is bad. We should not be doing this. We should desist from those things. We all should desist from those
No,
things.
Prince, no verse. Shebi I challenge them now. Say make dem bring any video where I carry the Oba of Benin picture. They no fit bring am. They no fit bring am. Okay, Don Prince, you say anybody wey insult
Ada video dey waiting, no
oh
dey
yeah, bring
rush.
am. When
Video
me dey
dey.
insult una king, bring am. And
No,
again,
no
Don
worry.
Prince,
If I don't reach chance, I'll bring your video come out.
anytime
No
you
dey
don
rush
always
for
reach
your
Let
out.
her to talk.
Bros,
Oga, let her to talk.
Wait, you
Let's
don always
talk,
reach
get
out.
go, allow,
Don
get go,
Prince,
get go.
Don Prince. Me,
Yeah.
I don talk am say you talk say if anybody insult Esan, make I call you abi. If they insult the king of Esan, wetin I go do?
Now make me you come in and me and you that Lord as we fit bring that person to order.
Okay, we no go insult their king back.
No, because me now, if you look at
If me no do am, another Esan come do
may I
am.
tell you something, may I tell you something? Those insults, you know what they do to us? It they spoil our name. They look us like we don't know what they do. They look us like illiterate. They look us like mumu wey dey abroad we not get sense. They feel say we not get sense. So those narratives now I make claim for social media. I want make them know the individuals wey get sense. Make them know the individuals wey not get sense. Those one wey not get sense, well they know them. Those one wey no they just say esaganya yes was war. We want to know the people that in me well for the society. The people that in me well for the people. Not the people wey be say they be miscraft. We want to know the miscraft wey dey inside the society. Now make you, if you see police, if police want to arrest for France here, if you not be 8 or 9, they now let that one person they defend. They'll come pick that one person, come out there, they'll lead the rest people. That's so police say they work here. Now in Nigeria, they'll pack everybody, go station. They'll go to bed themselves. But for abroad, if police come there, they'll pick only that one person, come out for that place. You go be like 5 on the hand. That's so police say they work. So if anybody they downgrade Esan or Benin or Esak or Amuchi anywhere, all king are one. Respect all kings. We are one. Whether Nigeria king or Isoko king are kings. To become a king, not be dead job. They born king. They know they not be all those not be title with the talk. We are talking about king where they born. King where they born, not be title one where they go to buy or where they give. We are talking about the king where they born. So any king where they born, where they give kingship, respect that king. Not be power, you take carry that king. Then God talk and say for heaven, say you go be king. So no go feel say because that king, the community not get money, because say na small king, that community not get money. The one where their community can't get money, where you can't go beat